Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring how AI can help you save money in ways you might not have imagined. From managing your budget to finding the best deals, AI is here to make your financial life easier and more efficient. And the best part? Many of these tools are either free or very affordable. Let's dive into the details.
Use AI-powered budgeting tools to get a clear picture of your finances. Apps like Mint, You Need a Budget, and PocketGuard use AI to analyze your spending habits. Here's how they work. Mint connects to your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically categorize transactions. AI analyzes your spending trends and suggests where you can cut back. It also provides alerts when you're close to exceeding your budget. You Need a Budget app helps you give every dollar a job. While it requires manual input, its AI algorithms predict upcoming expenses based on past spending and guide you on how to allocate your money more effectively. It's designed to help you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. PocketGuard takes it further by showing you exactly how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. Its AI suggests ways to save, like cutting subscriptions or negotiating bills. These tools do more than just track spending, they help you understand and improve your financial habits with minimal effort. Let AI automate your savings. Here's where apps like Digit and Capital shine. Digit links to your bank account and uses AI to analyze your spending patterns. It calculates small, safe amounts to save daily, without impacting your day-to-day spending. Digit automatically transfers these amounts to your savings, creating a habit of saving without you even thinking about it. Capital also uses AI to automate savings, but it adds a fun twist with goal-based saving rules. For instance, you can set a rule to round up every purchase to the nearest dollar and save the change, or save a specific amount every time you hit the gym. Acorns takes a different approach by helping you invest your spare change. It rounds up your purchases and invests the difference into a diversified portfolio. The AI-driven portfolios are tailored to your risk tolerance, helping your money grow over time. These tools are perfect for anyone who struggles to save money manually. By using AI, they take the guesswork out of saving and make it automatic. Use AI to find the best deals when shopping. Extensions in apps like Honey, Google Shopping, and Shop Savvy are powered by AI to save you money every time you shop. Honey automatically applies the best available coupon codes at checkout when you're shopping online. The AI searches through thousands of coupons and applies the most effective one in seconds, saving you from having to hunt for discounts. Google Shopping uses AI to compare prices across multiple retailers instantly. Just search for a product, and Google shows you where you can find it for the lowest price, including any discounts or promotions. It's like having a personal shopping assistant. Shop Savvy is a great tool for in-store shopping. Use its barcode scanner to compare prices on the spot. The AI-driven app shows you if you can get the same product cheaper online or at a nearby store, helping you make smart purchasing decisions. These tools help ensure you never overpay for a product again, making shopping more efficient and budget-friendly. Invest smarter with AI-powered investment advisors, also known as Robo advisors. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Robinhood use AI to manage your investments. Betterment is an AI-driven robo-advisor designed to simplify and optimize your investment strategy. It offers personalized portfolio management tailored to your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Betterment's algorithms continuously monitor the market and automatically rebalance your portfolio to ensure optimal asset allocation. Wealthfront is an AI-powered investment platform that offers comprehensive financial planning and portfolio management. Like Betterment, it uses advanced algorithms to create and maintain a personalized investment strategy based on your unique goals and risk appetite. Robinhood, while more of a self-directed platform, offers AI-driven insights and recommendations on stocks, ETFs, and options. It helps beginner investors make informed decisions, even if they're not financial experts. These tools make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of experience level, and help you grow your wealth with minimal effort. They're designed to be low-cost alternatives to traditional financial advisors, making them a great option for cost-conscious investors. Lower your bills with AI. Apps like Trim and Rocket Money are designed to help you reduce recurring expenses. Trim connects to your financial accounts and uses AI to analyze your subscriptions and bills. It identifies areas where you might be overspending, such as subscriptions you rarely use. Trim also negotiates lower rates on your behalf for services like cable, internet, and insurance, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars per year. Rocket Money operates similarly, but it also includes a feature that helps you cancel unwanted subscriptions with just a click. The AI also tracks your bills and alerts you if there's a chance to negotiate a lower rate or if there's a service fee that can be refunded. These apps are great for cutting down on the small, recurring expenses that often go unnoticed but add up over time. With AI doing the hard work, you can effortlessly keep your bills in check. Those are our top 5 tips for using AI to save money. Whether it's automating your savings, finding the best deals, or managing investments, these AI-driven tools can help you take control of your finances and grow your wealth effortlessly. If you've tried any of these tips or have other AI-powered money-saving strategies, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more ways to make your money work for you. Thanks for watching.